Do you want Forge in Minecraft? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can install Forge and start using mods the easy way. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you're in Minecraft, go ahead and back out of it. We don't want to be in Minecraft for this first. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and essentially just go to your web browser and search up Forge Minecraft. If you want to be more specific, go to files.minecraftforge.net and then hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select 1.21.10 on this sidebar and then go ahead and choose this installer right here. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Wait 5 seconds. This is an ad, so don't click anything on the screen. And look up in the top right, you're going to see the countdown right there. Go ahead and choose skip right here, and it's going to immediately begin downloading. And it should look something like this. Once it finishes, go ahead and select it to open it up. And then hit install client and hit OK. It's going to take a second to go ahead and download, but it shouldn't take too long. Just make sure, once again, you're on 1.21.10 or whatever the latest version of Minecraft is for you. While that finishes downloading, go back to your web browser and go to something like curseforge.com and select this little Minecraft option right here. Scroll down a little bit, select browse all, and then from here, just go to this little filter section and filter it by 1.21.10, and then hit this little Forge loader section right here and find a mod that you want to go in and play. Now, if there's a specific mod, simply go ahead and search it up. In my case, we're just going to choose, I guess, this like mini map mod right here. We'll use this. But essentially, find whatever mod you want, go ahead and go to the Files tab, and then filter it by the right game version and Forge as your launcher, and then essentially hit these three dots, hit download file, and you're good to go. Just wait 5 seconds, and it's going to automatically begin downloading. Boom, right there. After you do have your mod downloaded, go ahead and close out of Chrome, hit OK on this tab, and then go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. It might take a second to load if it is your first time with an installer on here. But what you're going to want to do is actually filter this latest release section to Forge. So scroll down on this option, wait till you see Forge on here. Like as you can see, it's right here. Select it and then go into the installations tab up at the top and find that exact same Forge launcher. Hit this little open installations folder here, right here, and scroll down. And what you're looking for is this little mods folder here. Open it up. And then open up another file explorer page and go specifically to your downloads, and essentially just go ahead and drag whatever mod you just downloaded in here. From here, you can go ahead and close out of both of these, go back to this place tab, and then hit play one more time. Tick off this box, hit play, and you'll begin loading into Minecraft. But that is it. That is how you can install Forge and mods with Forge. Quick and easy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.